The universe holds endless mysteries. Among them is the question of whether we are alone. Recently, scientists made an exciting discovery. They found intriguing clues on a distant planet. This planet is called K2-18b. It orbits a star far from our own. This discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question, is there life beyond Earth? K2-18b is a fascinating world. It is much larger than our own planet. Scientists call it a super-Earth. This giant lies 124 light-years away from us. That's honestly incredibly far. Light itself takes 124 years to travel from there to Earth. K2-18b orbits a star called K2-18, a red dwarf star smaller and cooler than our Sun. What makes this discovery so thrilling? Scientists found something remarkable in the atmosphere of K2-18b. Using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, they peered into the planet's gaseous veil. They discovered chemicals that hint at the possibility of life. The James Webb Space Telescope is honestly a marvel of engineering. It allows us to study distant worlds like never before. It does this by capturing light from these faraway places. This light carries information about the planet's atmosphere. By analyzing this light, scientists can identify the chemicals present. The telescope detected several interesting chemicals in K2-18b's atmosphere. Two of them are particularly intriguing: dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, and dimethyl disulfide, or DMDS. On Earth, these chemicals are primarily produced by living organisms, particularly marine phytoplankton. These tiny organisms release DMS into the atmosphere, giving the air its characteristic ocean smell. In addition to DMS and DMDS, the telescope also found methane and carbon dioxide in K2-18b's atmosphere. These gases are also associated with life on Earth. Methane is produced by certain types of bacteria, while carbon dioxide is a byproduct of respiration. The presence of DMS, DMDS, methane, and carbon dioxide in K2-18b's atmosphere is a tantalizing clue. It suggests that this distant world might harbor some form of life. However, it's important to remember that these chemicals can also be produced by non-biological processes. Volcanoes, for example, can release methane and carbon dioxide. Certain geological processes could potentially produce DMS and DMDs without the involvement of life. Scientists need more data to determine the origin of these chemicals on K2-18b. Some researchers have raised doubts about the possibility of life on K2-18b. They argue that the planet is too close to its star, making it too hot for liquid water to exist on its surface. They believe that any water on K2-18b would have evaporated long ago. Despite these doubts, the discovery of potential biosignatures on K2-18b is a major milestone in the search for extraterrestrial life. It reminds us that we are still in the early stages of exploring the cosmos. There is much more to learn and discover. The search for life beyond Earth is a long and challenging one. It requires patience, ingenuity, and honestly, a healthy dose of skepticism. But the potential rewards are immense. The discovery of even the simplest form of life on another planet would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It would show us that we are not alone and that life may be more common and diverse than we ever imagined. The quest continues. Thanks for stopping by today, Hot Reels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Please stay connected with us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Pinterest, and Threads for the latest updates and trending reels. Subscribe now and be part of the fun.